Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Sherum Bunny Pal. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Amazon. So if we look closely right here, they didn't even try to edit this properly since as you can see, this thing right here, where my mouse is hovering, they didn't even try with the cutouts. They didn't edit it properly. Like the carrot here, they just cut it out and just slapped it on the picture. And this girl right here is they're pretending that she is trying to hold the rabbit, which it actually is not, since they just edited it on there. They did a terrible job of editing. So if you scroll down here, there are actually no reviews, since it is very likely a scam. So there are a lot of scams like this, which claim to mimic or imitate the real life bunny, but in truth, it is never the same as a real bunny, and it will never be, since this product is a scam. But if you're planning on buying it, please don't buy it in the hopes of hoping that it is imitating the real bunny, since it is not. Since as you can see right here, they also did a poor job of editing it. And right here, also right here, these images are AI generated. So please do not use or buy this product, since in this picture right here, the bunny looks different also from this one. It looks different to this one. And yeah, please do not buy this product. It's a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.